one more video. Some people can film videos and just let it sit and post it on a schedule, but if I film this video right now and I post it on Saturday, I just feel like it's not as real as it is. So that's why I post like 3 videos in a day, then I'll go 3 days off. I just go seriously with what my mind is telling me to do and I listen to it. But this video, so I've been monetized for all of June. No, I've been monetized for July, August, and September. That's it. I just started my YouTube channel. But this past month of September, because it's October 1st, I made my first $1,100.98 from YouTube, just from YouTube ads. So I'm sharing this with you because when I first posted my first YouTube video on this channel, it's my lawn care setup. Go watch it if you haven't, because all that I did was I posted a video on a channel. I had no idea what direction it was going to go. I just simply was sharing my actual setup to help somebody. I wasn't selling an online course. In fact, I said, if you're watching this video and you want help, email me and I'd be happy to help you. And I've been replying to thousands of people from that email, and now that video has almost 200,000 views. So it's kind of different now and it's hard to keep up, but my intentions were pure. I was just trying to help somebody. I didn't post that video thinking about a scheme for me to make money, or I didn't even have the idea of an online course yet. I was just posting a video for fun because I just finished working and I was just thinking maybe this could help somebody, because people think you need to have huge equipment, huge trailers, but you don't. I don't. So that's what I did. So if your intentions are pure and you're just trying to help somebody, then look what can happen. I never thought that I'd make $1,000 from YouTube in 1 month. That was when I would first watch YouTube when I was a kid. I would know people were making money from it and I would just think that'd be cool. But I was like, I'll never do that. But I just did it. And I didn't even plan to do it. It just happened because I make content that helps people. I help them grow their businesses. You can pay me and I can help you even more, or you could just watch my videos for free and I have hours of information helping you already. So just cast out a net of good intentions, try to help people, and look what can happen. I have my lawn care business. I have my online course that is helping other people. That's 1 income, that's 2 incomes. And now I have this, which is a 3rd income, which is YouTube. And now there's so many other ways to make money from YouTube. So maybe I'll make a course on how to grow your YouTube channel in the future, but for now I'm just focusing on lawn care. But I'm just sharing this to show you the possibility of what can happen if you just put work in and just be patient. So that's it. So this past month of September, I made my first $1,000, and that's not including my lawn care income and my course member income from the people I'm working with. So it's just really cool. Stay grateful. But it's not like I just sat here and I just wished for it to happen. I put work in, and now we're here, and the work is never ending. I've been going to bed at 4 a.m. these past couple nights because I've just been updating my course and talking to people, but sacrifices, and the sacrifices are paying off now. So with that being said, I'm gonna make this video short because I just posted another one. And you should make a YouTube channel because, one, you can look back and it makes you evolve so much as a person to look back and look at your old characteristics and mannerisms, and it just talking in front of the camera just makes you so much more outgoing. I'm a shy, introverted dude. I never thought I'd be in front of the camera talking with a 15,000 person audience, but now I'm here, and now talking in front of the camera is pretty natural. My eyes might dart around, I might talk fast, but I like being in front of the camera because I know what I can help people with. I can share something that might be little to me, but it can make a huge deal in somebody else's life. So one, YouTube is a crazy evolution for you to look back on yourself and to evolve as a person. And two, you might think that YouTube, there's like a million lawn care channels and there's a million of every channel. There's enough eyeballs in the world to where we can all eat. We can all build an audience together. You don't need to have 1 million subs. I don't want to have 1 million subs. I just want to have a small handful of people that actually enjoy watching my videos, that I enjoy talking to. And I never wanted to be famous. I don't want to be famous. I don't want to walk around and be stopped and people come up and just catch me off guard. Like I'll meet somebody and I'll say hi and I'll talk to them, but that's not what I ever wanted to do. I want to make money and stay low key, not be high key and make money. I want to be low key and make money, and I think a lot of other people do too. So what was I saying? Still no caffeine. One, it's evolution, and two, there's enough people in the world to where you can make an audience, even if you're doing the same thing I'm doing. Well, one, if you're doing what I'm doing and you're making a channel, I treat this YouTube channel and my online presence as a business, just like I treat my mowing business as a legitimate business. So I work hard and I want to be not the best, but I want to be the most helpful. So if you're starting a lawn care channel and you're doing what I'm doing, the same exact thing, then I'll watch your videos. And don't feel like we have to compete, because there's more than enough people to where you could relate to somebody more than I could. But that being said, I still want to be the best that I can be. So just like in my other video I was talking about, I just try to work harder than anybody. I'm still going to try and work harder than you, but I'm still trying to tell you to start your own channel. So take what you want from that. All right, I'm gonna finish my day. Start a YouTube channel if you've been thinking about it. You don't have to start a YouTube channel if you don't want to, but if you've been thinking about it, I wish I just would have started a long time ago, because look what happened. But everything happens for a reason. Maybe I needed to grind it out quietly in order for me to learn all these things about business and develop my mindset to where I could help people. Because if I just started a YouTube channel on my first day of mowing, I don't know what I would talk about. But now that I've been through all these things, good, bad, and ugly, I can talk about a bunch of stuff. So one, start a YouTube channel, because look, I just made my first 1,000 in a month, and if I can duplicate that, then I could travel the world and just make money from YouTube and my online courses. But I still want to mow, because mowing is like my best footage, and that's when I have my head spinning the most. That's why I'm filming this video, because I'm mowing right now. So even if I live somewhere else, I would still always have a lawn care business and just grow it. And that'd be cool, like I said in one of my other videos, to where I could document me moving to a new city, starting a business, and vlogging me putting my own methods to action once again, since I started this channel when I already had my business established. You guys could come with me and I could do it all over again for somebody starting out. So with that being said, I gotta go mow. Oh my goodness, I gotta do 8 more yards. Okay, peace out.